Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily receive WordPress emails from Localhost. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to plugins, add a new plugin, and in search plugin you want to write WordPress mail SMTP. When you're going to do it, you're going to see right here the WordPress mail sent by WordPress forms. Install now and then activate it. Now when you got it, you can see it right here. So let's just click here. And now from email, you just add here your mail. You can set the return path, and then you're gonna like the mailer. And all you have to do is like, I know what you're gonna use. But Gmail is for, you just add here your client ID, client secret, and the URL. And this is how you do it. Now you get like send a test mail. Email controls, but you need to upgrade it if you want to have it. And this is how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.